Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to disable USB ports in the BIOS on your Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. First, you need to completely shut down your laptop. Then, press and hold the volume up button followed by pressing the power button. Keep holding the volume up button until the BIOS menu appears. Once in the BIOS, like me, use the arrow keys or simply your touchpad to move around it. Now go to Devices and check Docking USB port. And now click on the touchpad and slide to the left. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.